Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. As you can see by the title, today we're going to talk about self-care or wellness, whichever one you would like to call it, a emergency kit. So this is the kit that will just give you that push and remind you why you should not be in a little rut or feeling unmotivated or uninspired. This little kit is kind of like a lifesaver for those days that you feel down. If you would love to see a little more of the whole purpose of a self-care kit and work with me and see what I put into my kit and hopefully encourage you and inspire you to create your very own, then keep on watching. Before we hop on, I would like to encourage you to click on that subscribe button if you're into self-care, self-love, and becoming the best and better version of yourself. That way you can be notified when I upload any more new videos. A self-care emergency kit definitely boils down to a self-compassion act. It's something that you are going to use for yourself to help yourself feel better. Add things that remind you of things that you should be grateful for, or just things that would lighten up your day. Now that we know the purpose of the self-care emergency kit, why don't we start working on our very own. So here we go, guys. As you can see, this is a box, a perfume box that I was gifted by my brother, and I'm going to use it as my self-care emergency kit. I think it's really cute. I love the color. It's like a rose gold kind of color, so I think it's really pretty, and that's what I'm going to use. So as you can see, you can use absolutely anything, you know, whatever works for you. You don't have to break the bank, or of course you can be more creative and decorate it more. Me, I'm just gonna go ahead and write something cute here that will just brighten up my day as soon as I take a look at the box, besides the color, which I think it's really pretty. So here we go, guys. We have the box here, right? For myself, I really enjoy having a book. Like when the days that I'm feeling down and motivated and just like things aren't going too well for me, I enjoy having a book. 100 Days to Brave, Devotions for Unlocking Your Most Courageous Self by Annie F. Downs. I started reading this book, but I have not finished it, so I definitely will love to finish it. It's really intriguing, the first few pages, so I'm looking forward to finishing that. The second thing that I would add is this beautiful book that to me it's so meaningful. I got it from my partner. It says, "You are doing a freaking great job," which I find that it's perfect for these days where you feel unmotivated and uninspired and feel like things aren't going your way or you're not getting much done. It has so many motivational words and, you know, things that would just brighten up your day. And I find this so cute. Like, he was just on and about his day and he saw this and I guess instantly thought of me and my journey, my self-care journey with YouTube and all that. So it's really meaningful to me. I feel like I cannot have an emergency kit or something that will make me feel good without a mask, a face mask. To me, it's so important. I really truly enjoy it, having a mask, and makes me feel awesome, makes me feel good. Definitely adding a notebook, a pad with a pen or pencil. This is definitely a perk that I got for points from Sephora, so I think it fits perfectly in here. I don't necessarily have to use this one, but remember, since this is a kit, this is something that I can just grab and I go into my room or go into the living room, so whatever's in here I would definitely use. But I think it's really important to just jot things down, get things off of your mind and onto paper, you know, get that nice relief going. Of course, comfort food. I love gummies, any kind of gummies. This is just what I have in my house now, and I love it. I think it's so delicious. For me, like, it works really well. Here, I'll just organize this where it would fit nicely. That's what we have so far. This is a perfume that I find very, it's not really focusing, very, I don't know how to explain it. It smells delicious. It makes me feel like a woman, you know, like grown. So I feel like it reminds me, like, you know, you're getting older, you are maturing, your life is in a whole other new level. So it really makes me feel good when I smell this scent. And last but certainly not least is this yummy cup soup. And yes, it has lots of sodium, which is not good for us, but come on, we're talking about a box that's gonna make us feel good. And this is one of the things, like, I truly enjoy it. It has some lime and hot sauce, and I am all for it. So yes, because it has a lot of sodium, I definitely recommend for you to chase it down with some water, room temperature water, not cold water after having a warm soup. Yes, it doesn't fit here, but ideally these are the things that I would have in my self-care emergency kit. I really love this soup. Like, it's not just to say, like, I can have this anytime and it makes me feel happy and good. So there you have it, guys. That is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time, and I hope you did consider to subscribe to this channel, and that way you can be notified when I upload my next video. Go ahead and leave any comments down below if you have your very own self-care emergency kit, or a box or a bag, anything that you gravitate toward, that you grab and instantly or eventually makes you feel any better. Don't forget to give me any thumbs up, likes, that way I know that you did like this video and I can continue to make this video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.